Golden-Crowned Kinglet. There's another male. Looks like I got a shot. Yes. Hello, hello. Welcome to another video. We are at Deerfield Park trying to find some birds. Some geese right there. See any cackling geese in there? Nope, just Canada's. You thought the last video had loud snow. What is that bird? That was a bluebird. Is that another one? Nope. Junco. Some bluebirds up there in that tree. There one goes. There they go. Oh, there's another one. Gotta stay off this really loud snow. Oop, there's another bluebird. All dark-eyed juncos over here. There's the other bluebird. Wonder what kind of shot I could get by laying down. Some dark-eyed juncos right in front of me. Brown creeper. Yep. Got a few brown creepers over here. There they go. You can hear him calling. Also, I hear a woodpecker over here. There he is. Looks like a hairy right down there. Chickadee. Psh, 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 psh. Golden-Crowned Kinglet. There's another male. There's two Golden-Crowned Kinglets over there. I would love to give him hovering. Actually, it's a female. My bad. Where's those Golden-Crowned Kinglets? There's one. They're so hard to follow. Kinglet, kinglet, kinglet. Oh, there's one right there. Not sure where the other one is. There's the other one. Here comes these geese. I might as well get a shot of one. That's always fun. He's in the middle of this big bush. Well, I think there's three. I just heard another one over there. Okay. I think there's one female and one male. Oh my, there's a kinglet right there. He's right there, he's right there. Looks like I got a shot. Yes. Don't know where he is. He's right there. Oh, that was awesome. I love golden-crowned kinglets. I find when pishing to smaller birds, try to make the highest pitch noise that you possibly can, and that kind of helps to attract them a little bit more, in my experience. Let's see if there's any more birds down this trail. And try to stay off the snow because it's ridiculously loud. Brown creeper. Never gotten a good shot of one of those. It's a little hard to tell the difference between a kinglet chip call and a creeper chip call. Some great conditions for duck photography, but there's no ducks. Staying near the river is gonna have probably the most amount of birds compared to deep in the woods. Over there on that side of the pond, I got a pretty cool shot of a solitary sandpiper back in September. That was pretty cool. I think that one's on my calendar. Any more kinglets over here? I wish the bluebirds around here were a little more tame and less skittish. Yeah, this is a cool suspension bridge. It's closed for the winter though. We'll have to go on it in some future video in the spring. It's icy. Always got to be sticks in the way. Whew. Well, there wasn't much action over there. In the early spring, there's dozens of eastern towhees all around this part. Me and my dad, we came here at around midnight in the summer one time, and we stood right here, and I got a pretty cool picture of the stars. Heard the kinglets again. Hey, buddy. Maybe they went this way. Ooh. Some birds way up high. Probably geese. Yeah. Kinglets are back. like they left. Activity is starting to slow down a little, and I'm getting hungry for lunch. Well, that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.